Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at BMW. We're filming, actually confirming a fitment for the 330. This is the non-M Sport version, and it's actually the same bracket that we've had since 2019, which is nice for us because you normally have to change them every 2 to 3 years. This one looks like it has the adaptive or the camera in the lower center, so we're going to mount it to the driver's side. And fortunately it does have factory screws, so that makes it nice. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mike. We'll go ahead and get started on this fitment.
Alright, thanks Steve. And like Steve said, this one is equipped with the adaptive cruise. So we're going to be mounting it off to the side to miss the sensor in the center. It's a no drill, so we'll be using factory screw locations. However, we won't be reusing these screws. So we're going to take these out. These are 10 millimeter headed screw. And we're going to be taking those out. And we're going to be replacing them with two 4.8 by 25s and two 1/8 inch spacers. So we'll get the base plate off here, and then get my fasteners. So here's the first one, fastener through the base plate, then spacer on top, and then real important, start one side and then start the other before you start tightening up. Again, the same thing. Spacer on the top. Now the heads on these are going to be an 8 millimeter, so we're going to change sockets. I'm going to go ahead and tighten those down. I like to do a little on each side, kind of walk them in, if you will. There's that one. And these are going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten them up. You feel them once you hit the J-clip, or the spacer hits the bottom and everything's snug, and then you just want to make sure you snug them up real well. Again, as long as you stay up by the ratchet head, you don't really minimize the chance of actually snapping one. There you go. That's all there's to it. Then you're going to take your front plate, you're going to start it in, get it past the pull pin and push it till it clicks into place, and there you go. It's all done.
And make sure to lubricate your pull pin with some WD-40 periodically, and if you go through a car wash, make sure that you remove your front plate there with your license plate on it, because you don't want to get that damaged. And then this is a front view where your license plate's going to go on. You can see you've got the camera there, the sensor, so we have to mount it off to the side there so it clears that and doesn't interfere with the sensor, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.